I made this video about how you can enable keyboard light on Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series, and a lot of people liked it, so I made that's why I am making this video, guys. I want to show you how you can enable keyboard light on your Dell Inspiron 15. Now, there are a lot of versions of this laptop that don't have the keyboard light. Don't worry, just keep watching. I'm gonna give you some solutions. Now, if you have backlight on your Dell Inspiron 15, then here is how you can. Now, if you have the backlight feature on your laptop, now if you have it, you want to click on Fn, okay, and F10 at the same time. You want to click on Fn and F10 in the top. This is F10 and this is Fn. The meaning of Fn is function. So like I said, click on Fn and F10. If it doesn't work, then don't click on Fn, just click on F10 alone, okay? Just click on F10. Now see if it works. If it doesn't work, as you can see here, guys, it says non-backlight keyboards have F10 function key without the backlight icon and doesn't support toggle keyboard backlight function. So it means that there are some Dell laptops that don't have this feature. Now you can easily do that even on the laptops that don't support this feature. Just the first thing, guys, you need to do is to drop a like on this video, and the second thing is to click the video in the screen, and I'm going to be showing guys how you can enable keyboard light on your Dell 15 3000 series. I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.